Hey, we have just released a brand new LUT pack for the DJI Pocket 3. Our previous LUT pack was the best-selling LUT pack on the Editor's Keys digital store, and many of you absolutely loved this LUT pack but wanted us to create another one specifically for the D-LOG M profile, and that's exactly what we've done. So right now you're watching me using the Pocket 3 on the D-LOG M profile, and we're going to put on, first of all, our one-click fix LUT. This is a LUT which just enhances your DJI Pocket 3 footage to make it look not even cinematic, just look really, really good. Of course, you can get the LUT from DJI, but this one we think is a little bit better. What do you think? We can flick it off and on so you can see. And then what I'm going to show you is some more LUTs from around town. We're going to walk around town, and these are LUTs for the DJI D-LOG M profile, and they're just going to make your footage look subtly cinematic. You don't have to do any editing, any color grading really. You can just throw them on and you'll get shots. Let me show you. Let's go around town. So I just want to cut in here as I'm walking around. I'm not using any special settings. The camera is on just D-LOG M, and I'm recording this in my lunch break as I walk around. So I just want to show, if you go around and you record just normal travel footage, maybe you are doing professional footage, you can just throw these LUTs on and get some really, really good looking shots coming from the Pocket 3. We've worked really hard to make sure that these work best with the Pocket 3. And I'm going to start using them all the time, especially when we're in travel videos, or when you're just filming something for your memories. These are perfect for that. But also, if you use the Pocket 3 for any professional work, this can just give you that really good, subtle, cinematic look without really much effort on your part at all. Drag and drop, and it's done that easily. Let's continue the walk. So I hope you've enjoyed the little walk around with me today. We're going to be doing a few videos on these LUTs, but this is just a walk around to show you the power of these LUTs and just how easy they are to put onto your little Pocket 3 footage. Thanks for watching. Check out the link in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video.